Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Zombie Badger here with another TCG opening. Today we have Bloom Burrows, Commander squirreled away. Okay, so in this little black sleeve, collector booster sampler pack. Pretty neat little box. That's nice. We have our pre-made deck. Really nice poster here. See what goodies we have inside of here. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, that is amazing. Chittering Witch. Like their art. Bat Warlock. Swamp Yard Massacre. Saw in half. Orc Slumlord. Decree of Pain. Scurry of squirrels. Hmm. This is dope. Hmm. Beastmaster Ascension. Chatterfang Squirrel General. I love the names. Casualties of War. Actually, a pretty good card. Woodland Cemetery. Exotic Orchid. A lot of pretty colors in this one. This deck has definitely shown me that Squirrel Commander decks are dark. A lot of dead animals.
Yeah.
A lot of eating vile little creatures.
They're necromancers. Necromancers.
Twilight Mire.
That's why I don't trust squirrels, bro. They conquer the dead.
Come on,
How I
nice.
feel about Ouija boards.
Gilded Goose. This guy looks like he's been playing with electricity too long.
Dude.
Look at his ears.
An acorn counter. The acorn counter.
Okay.
That's interesting.
Mm-hmm.
10
The dragon? Yeah.
So the squeak.
So far, really happy with pulls. A lot of playable cards. Oh, that's nice. Squirrel with his mouth full of nuts. See, look, this is why we don't trust squirrels. Change your mind instantly about squirrels all over again.
Storm. Dude, there's an enchantment whenever your creature you control dies, you gain 1 life and draw a card.
Mm-hmm.
In a deck that creates a bunch of like stupid, really small, weak squirrel tokens that can get out of hand. You got like fucking 20 squirrel tokens on the thing, and then someone board wipes to deal with that problem, and you got that enchantment and gain like fucking 20 life.
Excuse me.
Draw 20 cards. That could get really out of hand in the right scenario.
And then, right, yeah. Well, that's the whole thing, Jungle Hollow. Yeah, a lot of these cards are really decent.
That's a pretty strong deck.
Yeah. I love the morbid art that they kind of sneak into it.
I just kind of like the nature of black cards in general too. They're usually pretty dark, pretty morbid. And the squirrels are black. Black and green. But even those green ones look pretty nasty. He's got a chainsaw? No, it's a sword. Yeah, definitely. I might play with this a bit, but some of these cards are going to be crazy in my other deck. I can even use some of the cards I already have from my main scroll deck to boost this deck up. But maybe I will do that. That'd be a combination for a little bit.
For boosting purposes, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, play around with the commanders, swap out some cards. But this deck is this strong.
What the this guy.
I could take out one of these weaker squirrels for a fucking that other commander I want to use. Yeah, I could have him on the inside.
Definitely gonna put some of these into action. Assistance. Soul Ring. Skullkin.
Oh man, another soul ring. I've gotten a soul ring in like every commander deck I've gotten. All different arts. The ultimate reprint.
The ultimate reprint. These are just, we're now currently just at the lands.
All the Wilds is a reprint. I thought that.
But some of these
Coastal
lands,
Land.
yeah, but some of these lands have some really beautiful scenery.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
No, all of them are.
nah,
Not all of them are reprints. Some of them are new.
some of them are new concepts.
Either way, they're still new art, even if
Yeah.
they are.
Even if they're
I just
reprinted.
read the title of the ones. Evolving Wilds is kind of an old card. It's specific text on it. Tainted wood. Not woods, just tainted wood.
Sounds concerning.
Some of these lanes are going to get repetitive.
I don't want to deal with tainted wood.
You'll have like four
Of the same one,
of
yeah.
the same, something like that. There should be, there might be like some fancy ones in there. Yeah, show different colors perhaps. I don't know. Okay, so it's four of one type of them. Okay, that's pretty. Like the entrance to
Oh,
a flower maze, garden maze. Ooh. I like the green, it's very like.
pest. Their insects are fucking dope.
Well, the pest. There are also insects.
Uh-huh.
So the wolf,
You gotta love the goat.
ratatouille,
Ratatouille.
bat, yeah, raccoon. Yeah, some the tokens are dual-sided. Some that's alright.
They'll figure it out.
Oh, the fucking goat. That's right. There's one card that creates a goat.
Look at this sweet little thing. Which one?
I forget, but they have a goat token.
We have a goat token. Life is a little bit better.
Like,
With the
it
goat
does feel
token.
A little bit better with a goat token. Not gonna lie. That math adds up.
Goats add up.
Goats can add. And a few. Two or three cards.
Pretty stuff we got in here. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that one. That one makes me so happy.
There's more.
Oh,
Yeah, this one's really exciting.
the odd acorn gang. That one's nice. I like that one. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That's a full, another. Actually, give me a. Full
Hey, facts.
Oh, it's a full
It's-
art.
yes,
of this.
yes. A border and a borderless.
That could be worth.
Very nice. That is all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.